All right, again, we're not determining the value. We're just solving the equation. So we're solving for x. Label all of your angles. 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. I only have a 1 and a 2, okay? So for this one, you have to write the long equation. That's okay. So we're going to write angle 1, which is 6x plus 4. We're going to add the next angle, which is 2x minus 16. When I add two angles together, they equal 180. So pause it right here if you didn't know what equation to write, and see if you can combine your like terms and solve for x. Like terms, I have a positive 6x and a positive 2x. That makes 8x. I have a plus 4 and a minus 16. So since one is positive and one is negative, I have to subtract. And then I have more negatives than positives, so that's a negative 12. So 8x minus 12 equals 180. Now it's a regular two-step equation, right? So if I wanted to do this, cover up my 8x, I need to get rid of the minus 12 by adding 12. Bring down my 8x, my equal sign. 180 plus 12 is 192. And we're using a calculator for this, that's fine. I need to get the x by itself. So I'm going to get rid of that 8 by doing the opposite and divide. Eight goes into 19 twice with 3 left over. 8 goes into 32 4 times. So x equals 24. And that's where we're going to stop today. So that's probably the longest or the most difficult kind of equation we'll have when you have to add them together in that first step. Try your next practice problem and then check the video.